Morning, Sam. Ready for a busy one.
You know it. Smells like a fresh shipment came in overnight.
Make sure these are stacked tightly on the pallets. We need to maximize space for the next shipment.
Each hide is carefully inspected. Size, condition, and surface defects decide how it moves forward. Before processing begins, every hide is weighed and recorded. Accurate data controls quality and efficiency.
The hides are soaked in water. This step removes salt and dirt, restoring natural moisture to the skin. As the drums rotate, water circulates through the hides, washing away remaining salt and surface impurities. After soaking, the hides are mechanically fleshed. Excess tissue and fat are removed, leaving clean skin behind. After tanning, excess water is pressed out. This stabilizes the leather and prepares it for precise thickness control. Neutralization balances the leather's chemistry. This step prepares the fibers to evenly absorb dyes and oils. Retanning fine-tunes the leather. This stage adjusts firmness, flexibility, and overall performance. Now the leather takes on its color. Dyes penetrate deep into the fibers, defining the final appearance.
Oils are added to nourish the leather. This step restores softness, flexibility, and resistance to cracking.
The leather is dried under controlled conditions. Moisture leaves slowly, locking in softness and structure.
Now the leather is softened and finished. Mechanical action enhances flexibility while refining the surface texture. Before leaving the factory, each batch is tested. Strength, flexibility, and consistency are carefully verified.
Once approved, the leather is packed and secured. It is now ready to leave the factory and enter global markets.
Here, precision takes shape. Skilled hands assemble leather into durable products built for everyday use. Every detail matters. The finished product is inspected by hand, ensuring durability, balance, and craftsmanship. From factory floor to finished form, the leather is now ready for the market, shaped by precision and care.
From raw material to refined form, leather carries a story of precision, patience, and human expertise.
Modern tanneries focus on responsibility. Water is treated, waste is managed, and processes are carefully controlled.
Behind every machine is a skilled workforce. Training and safety ensure precision, efficiency, and protection.
At full scale, the tannery operates like a living system. Machines, people, and timing move in precise coordination.
Behind the scenes, logistics keeps everything moving. Timing and coordination ensure every stage stays connected.
Inside the factory, continuity is essential. Each step flows seamlessly into the next, without pause.
Before release, final checks confirm condition and consistency. Only verified leather moves forward. With departure underway, the leather begins its journey beyond the factory, moving toward global destinations. Across highways and borders, the journey continues. Logistics connects production to markets far beyond its origin. At regional hubs, shipments are received, organized, and prepared for the next stage of distribution. At the hub, shipments are unloaded and reorganized. From here, leather is redirected to its final destinations. Unloading begins with care. Each batch is handled precisely, preserving the quality achieved throughout the journey. Now inside production, the leather becomes part of a new process. Its journey continues in skilled hands. The first transformation begins. Precision cutting shapes the leather for its intended purpose. Assembly begins with stitching. Each seam is placed for strength, durability, and long-term performance. Stitched seams are reinforced and tested. Strength here defines durability in the finished product. With seams secured, the leather is shaped. Form and structure are set, defining how the final product will hold. Individual components now come together. Alignment at this stage determines the product's final balance and fit. Final stitches lock everything into place. Precision here defines the strength and finish of the final form. Finishing gives the product its final character. Edges are polished to ensure comfort, durability, and a clean appearance.
Before approval, every detail is inspected. Quality here reflects the discipline of the entire process.
From raw material to finished form, every step defines the result. This is precision, shaped by process. After final approval, the product is protected. Packaging preserves quality until it reaches its destination.
Once packaged, products move into storage. From here, they are ready for distribution and final delivery.
The journey continues beyond the factory. Carefully loaded, the product moves toward its final destination.
With loading complete, the journey continues. From factory floor to the world beyond.
Beyond the factory walls, the journey continues. Precision now travels, carrying craftsmanship forward.
Distance is part of the process. Across roads and regions, craftsmanship continues its journey.
After miles on the road, the journey reaches its next destination. Every step preserved, every detail intact.
After verification, shipments are sorted and routed. Each destination carefully planned for timely delivery.
Route confirmed for Dallas, driver.
Looks good. Ready for loading.
This pallet is secure.
Transferring the last box now.
All right, team. Precision to the last mile. Everything checked out.
With loading complete, the final leg begins. Every mile still carries the same care and precision.
final destination, unloading begins. Care remains constant, even at the journey's end.
Here is your delivery, sir. Could I please get your signature on the scanner?
Of course, thank you very much.
Unwrapped at last, the result of every step is revealed. Craftsmanship, preserved through the entire journey.
True strength does not announce itself. It remains dependable long after the moment has passed.
In the hand, craftsmanship becomes clear. Texture, strength, and balance speak without words.
In use, the product finds its purpose. Built to perform, shaped to endure everyday life.
Over time, leather tells its story. Each mark reflects use, durability, and the life it serves.
With simple care, leather lasts. Maintenance protects strength, character, and the story built over time.
With time, true value reveals itself. Built to last, leather grows stronger with every year it serves. Leather carries more than function. It carries heritage, shaped by hands, refined through generations.
Beyond function, leather becomes a symbol. A quiet record of skill, time, and human intention. From the hands that shaped it, to the hands that carry it. Craftsmanship lives through use.
Time moves forward, but purpose remains. True craftsmanship adapts without losing its meaning.
Life moves around it. Moments change. Yet some things remain, steady and trusted.
Over time, objects gain meaning, not from what they are, but from what they witness.
When time slows, what remains is clarity, a presence shaped by patience and purpose. Every journey leaves its mark, and when the work is true, the circle quietly closes.
When everything has been said, what remains is stillness. And in stillness, truth endures. And here, the story rests. Not finished, but complete.